Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm gonna be doing Get Unready with me, my economic Get Unready with me. So if you're interested and you want to see how I use what I have to clean up this look, then keep watching. So the first thing I do first is, because I have hair in my hair, so I'm gonna try to put it back this way. I didn't gum it though. I can wear it gummed or not gummed. So I do it like this. I use this one. Let me push this one inside. I can actually use this to lay it down. So what this does is that it will help you to clean up properly. Nothing will block you, nothing will stop you or be disturbing you on your hair. The next, I use my cotton wool. So get your cotton wool for cleaning up. So I actually got this online and it's not that great. I prefer the one I buy in pharmacy than this one, because this one, when you clean, it starts tearing apart, so that is not okay. I don't recommend it. But if you're a beginner, it's manageable. But if you're a pro, I don't recommend this because it doesn't do its job very well. So it doesn't do its job very well. Who is this one? So I would recommend you guys to get it from the shop or from the supermarket. But this particular one, mostly this brand, don't get it. It doesn't worth it. I have this. I'll be using this even, I think, from the moment that I want to go to the hospital to have my baby. So I'll be using this. But it finished last week. I bought this at the shopping mall, just finished. So I'm going to get new one again. When school starts, it's always difficult for me to go around, okay? So because I have so many school activities to run to. So because this one has finished, I'm going to use my Blue It, this one from Effortless, to clean up my eye first. I took 2 pieces of the cotton wool. Now I'm going to put the water in there, okay? Don't throw away. This is it. You can take any amount. You can soak all of them inside. It's just for you to clean up your eyes. Be careful when you are doing that, because if you don't, everything will deal with you. I've been wearing this makeup for about more than 5 hours now. But I'll advise you to put a little quantity so that you don't soak this water in your eyes. It will be painful if you do that. And when you are doing it, please don't press this thing inside. This will actually help you if you're wearing only mascara, okay? It will actually help to remove the mascara too. If you can see, you see that it removed the mascara. So I'm going to use the back of this to clean my brows. Yeah, to remove the brows. I wish there is a way I can clean off the whole face without touching my lips. But trust me, there is no way. There is no way I can do that, because foundation is all around. There is no way I can do that. So the lipstick has to go too. I miss you. This is where wiper came. You use the wiper slowly, don't go and fight with your face, to clean up the foundation. I didn't apply too much because I don't need full coverage foundation. I already have smooth face, okay? So if you know that, maybe 1 wiper will be enough for me. The quantity of wiper you use depends on the foundation you use, because if you pack a lot of foundation in your face, then you definitely need too many wipers. So because I have flawless face, flawless skin, okay, I don't pack so many of them in my face. I'll be using my Pure Agio from Effortless too. I still have this one full container. If you watch, you see that this one is already finishing. I still have the full, this one again is inside. So I'm trying to finalize this one so that I'll be able to bring out that one. And now if I go and buy this water here, if I go and buy this, I'll make sure that I pick it up like 2 or 3 and keep it, so that when one finish, it will not be emergency for me. I'll just immediately take the other one, because they are these two and another one are the most things I use when it comes to my get already with me. So I use them so much, a lot, okay, than other things. This is when, be careful with under your eyes. This is where this is clean sponge. It's a clean sponge, so this is where it comes in. Use it to scrub. When you are doing it, you don't need to fight with your body. You'll be feeling it inside you. So be careful under your eyes as well. So this is how you go about to do it, just like this. When you are done, you wash. Of course, you need to wash to make sure that you wash everything away. I've washed my face, okay? So I'm using this to dry it. You can use your hand towel, all right? You can as well use your normal towel. So after drying it, the next one I go ahead is with my essential oil, which is this here. I have this. So this is also from Effortless, right? So I'm going to apply this. This is just like a toner, okay? This is not the oil, but just like toner, not toner. So this is how I press it on my skin. Tonic, I think tonic. So this is how I put it on my face, and it dries by itself. When I see that it has dried, if it dries, this is how it's going to look like. It's already dried, right? You see it there, it's already dry. So I'm going to put this my Richie cream. This is a, what did they say, essential oil or something like that. I don't know how it's pronounced. So this is the second one that I put in my face. So this is the oil. I put a lot, and I need to do it like this. So when I finish, this is how it's going to be. Don't go. Oh, I told you I put a lot. It was a mistake. But anyways, your neck is not exemption. This is supposed to be little. This particular one here supposed to be little, not this much, you know. Of course, you can't go wrong with this. So this is my CeraVe. So this is SPF 30. I'm still using the 30, but I'll later get the 50. The reason I'm still using the 30 was because I don't usually stay outside like that. But I'll get the 50 though, very soon. I'll get the 50. If I still get the 50, I'll let you guys know about it. Oh, this is supposed to be not too much though. Please don't be like me. If you're applying it only on your face, your neck, not much. Okay? Shouldn't put too much. Don't look at other people. Don't put too much. This thing you see is very, very expensive. Don't put much. Don't waste it, because if you put too much, it's part of wasting. So now, see how stunning my face is looking like. See it? No filter, no pimples. So easy to clean. The next one, I'm gonna go ahead with my Deborah Milano lip gloss. Yeah, I'm gonna apply it on my lips to keep my lips soft. I also have my Vaseline therapy, but I want to use this one. So guys, and this is how I clean up my face. So looking snatched, beautiful, flawless. So if you really enjoyed this video of how I clean my face in an economical way, I don't know how it sounds, but in an economical way, guys. If you like how I did that, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? And also subscribe down there. And of course, Chinny will see you all in my next one. Remain blessed and I have amazing day, guys. I love you guys. Bye.